Come take a 5-minute craft break with me. Just have a little bit of a play with your paper crafting. Hello, I'm Claire from Created the Ottaway. I am an absolute craft addict, but my first love is paper crafting, and I'm going to show you how to fold, cut and create the Ottaway. So today we're going to make something with 5 little squares like this and 2 squares like this. So you need 5 squares that are 7 centimetres by 7 centimetres, 2-sided if you have it, because that will make your life so much easier. So I'm just going to cut another one of these out here. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold them in half. Okay, so just fold it in half like that. Just make sure that that matches, and then use your bone folder just to flatten it out. And then you're going to fold it back the other way, just like so. And fold that. And then you're going to fold it diagonally as well. So open it back out and fold it diagonally. And we're really making sure that the creases are really pressed lovely and smooth, because that will help you in the long run. Now this is Christmas decoration. I'm sure you have seen all the amazing paper Christmas decorations that are around. There's some really fabulous ones, all sorts. But this is a very uncomplicated, easy to do one. Sorry, I forgot to, I was supposed to be telling you, showing you. So open it back out, and then what you're going to do is you're going to fold in both sides. So we're going to fold in that side like that, fold in that side like that, and then just make sure that that is nice and creased as well. Okay, so just to reiterate, your square is like that, turn it so it's like a diamond, fold the sides in, and then just burnish it down flat like that, and do that with every single square, so all 5 of your squares. So I'm just going to press those down. I've got some lovely shiny paper from my stash that I've had kicking around for ages, you know, and you just think, not really sure what I want to use it for, but this is the perfect thing. Okay, and then I've got 2 squares that are 1/4 of the size. So these are 3.5 centimetres by 3.5 centimetres. Now what you're going to do is you're going to join them all together. So get your piece that opens out like that. Put some glue on it, just like that. Okay, and then join the next one in straight on the top. And just take a little bit of time to make sure that it's lined up. Okay, just like that. And then put this one on top of there. Just like that. And then go again. Just make sure that are lined up. 2 more to do. Are we going to make it within the 5-minute scale? I think we will. Okay, so that one is next, and then the last one is just like this, just on there. Okay, so when you're happy, just have a look. Okay, and then you open it out, and that is your decoration. But obviously it's not going to stay together, so what we're going to do is turn it into a hanging one. So I've got these bits here. I'm going to actually put that side on the top, but also I need some string because I want to hang it. And I've got this lovely copper string here. So I'm just going to cut a bit off of there and cut another bit off of there. Oh, there's a little knot in that. That's going to waste me some time now. Let's cut it off again. 5 minutes is ticking. Can you feel the stress? Okay. Oh, calm, Claire. Stress-free crafting, isn't it? Okay. So I'm going to put some glue on there all over. Make sure that you've got the open bit there. Is it? you're going to bring your string that way, put a bit of glue on the string, put that like that, just like that. Okay, and do the other side. So again, put some glue so the string is pointing out of the open bit. Okay, like that. Whoa. Put some glue on the top of there. Bring that. Did I do that? Yeah, I did. Ah! Tick, 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 says the clock. I know some of you are really strict with me if it takes more than 5 minutes. Okay, I'm just going to let that glue shut for a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to put a bead. I've got a bell or a bead. Should we put a bell? Thread that through onto there. Just like that. Okay. And I'm just going to tie a knot in the end, and then hopefully we will have a ta-da moment. Just like that. Okay. Join it up like so. Just make sure they're all opening out like that. And then the bell goes down to hold it in place. Just like that. And there we have your Christmas decoration. Let me leave it there so you can see. Just like that. Ta-da! And that's how you make a Christmas decoration in 5 minutes. I can't show you with the bell down, but there, like that. Ta-da! So use up some of your paper stash and just see what you can make. Happy crafting!